Welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB, and in today's 2-minute tips I'm going to be talking to you about string bends. So a string bend is basically you're using your fingers to bend a string. But why? When you bend the string, you're increasing the tension on the string, which increases the pitch. So for example, if I play fret 5, I could bend that to sound like fret 7. Now, one of the biggest things that people do is they try and bend with just one finger and bend straight up. The tension on the strings is quite a lot on ukulele, so what I would do is I would put finger 3 on the string that you want to bend. This is for a third finger bend. Finger 2 supports it behind, and finger 1. Now these fingers don't do anything to the sound because they're behind the fretting finger, but they are going to help you with pushing the string. You can bring your thumb over as well, and what a lot of people do is they think they're just pushing the string up. Well, if you picture an old doorknob, the way you would turn it, what you would do is this. There's my finger that's on the string. I'm going to twist, and it's that motion, and that's what's going to pivot and help you push the strings up. A way to practice getting the right pitch would be to play the note you want and then use your ears to hear when you reach that pitch. That's quite a big bend going up 2 frets. You could try it from fret 5 to fret 6. You can also use finger 1 for these bends. It's not as easy as finger 3 because you don't have the other finger supporting, and I wouldn't be going for 2 fret bends. 1 fret bend would be okay, but a blues bend is like an in-between. It's a quarter of a tone. Slight inflection. Here's fret 6, but we're not quite reaching it. And to give you an example of how these bends could sound if you played it in a little solo. Something like that in a bluesy style. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please do check out some of my other videos, and if you could consider liking and subscribing to the channel, that'd be great. Thanks.